Alright guys, we're standing in front of this unfortunate wrecked Mercedes-Benz. This is a 2020 AMG GT53 4-door. You can maybe understand what happened to this. There's a large indentation in the middle of the front of the vehicle, and it does look like a pole shape. So this customer may have ran into a pole. Customer is safe, that's all that matters really. It's a car, it has insurance. It's here right now to get inspected. We're gonna be doing a tear down, which is, you know, we're gonna remove the hood, the bumper, all that stuff. We want to see if that damage went into the engine because it does go pretty deep. So this vehicle might be a total loss. We're not sure yet. We have two other Mercedeses actually right here. That's a C-Class coupe, actually a newer one as well. And the front right has been into an accident. And then there's a G65 over there that also has an accident on the front left. So all three Mercedes-Benz, all wrecked in the front. This might be a total loss. Those two are for sure getting fixed. All of these are insurance jobs. So if you have an insurance job, we're taking it in during this pandemic. We're still open. We could tow it here. All these cars actually were towed here. We never even interacted with the customers, so everybody's safe.
Hold on! Don't do that!
I'm not doing anything, I'm not driving the car.
Okay. Brr, brr, brr. Yeah, kind of. Yeah, brr, 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 brr. That's the one. It's gonna be brr, 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 brr. Like that.
You sing inside the office, do better.
Okay, start the vehicle again.
I'm not starting it again, third time.
Okay, let me do it.
No, what?
I
Oh my god, bro.
I don't like. They're messed up. The thing is, it doesn't have a handling. I drove this car, not just only this car. Similar cars, they don't have handling at all. Yeah, they're powerful, they have a power, but it's not the same thing as a German cars.
What's a power?
Power.
Explain to them what happened here.
Okay, so this one.
Why is it like this?
Okay, so this one, there was an damage here. It was from here all the way to there. It was like buckled. So we pulled all those damages out for a primer. This is the primer one, but before primer we put a bondo, sanded, and then we put a primer.
All right, goddamn it.
So
Okay.
good to paint the vehicle.
So basically,
This
car, they hit a gate. It was dented. It had several dents.
It wasn't dent.
That wasn't a buckle.
No, that was
It was not a buckle.
Dent is
No.
it's a dent.
Oh my god,
like
it was like creases, not buckle.
Buckled
It
because
was-
it
it
was
was long.
this part. It was buckled because when you got look.
Like a seatbelt buckle?
No, buckled it means like.
Okay, we get it.
Okay.
Fine. It was damaged. We fixed it with
So
filler.
this is a dent. This is
Oh
a
my
dent.
gosh.
That's a dent.
Okay. So you see primer there. We're gonna wrap the car. Right now we're not gonna paint it. We're just gonna wrap it. Later when he wants to make it red again, then we're gonna paint it. Better safe than sorry, putting on several different wraps. This thing's been wrapped already. If he wants to keep changing the wrap, the paint could peel off later. So we're just not gonna do it right now. It's super smooth, like Sarkis' head, and it's ready for a wrap. So this is smoother than your head.
Mine has.
I can make your head smooth too. If you want.
No. Thank you.
Also, due to obviously the pandemic, even the wrap suppliers are behind. This is going to be a custom printed faded wrap as well. To do that, we need the special material that we get. We print on there, and then another material goes over that material. So right now we're missing the top layer material that's on back order. We're getting it in a few days. Unfortunately, the car is ready. So as soon as we get that, we're going to start wrapping this bad boy up really fast.
Oh, and one more thing on this car, so when you guys take out the handle, just be careful because there is no axis. If you guys take out the handle on this one, it's a little bit tricky. You guys cannot open the door from here. You guys have to make a special way to open the door. If you guys close the window, you guys are stuck.
Yeah, right now we have this.
Yeah, we have
That's how you open the door. But
to open the door handle. So be careful, guys. The other shops, if you guys open this, make sure you guys use handle like this. If not, you guys are gonna get stuck and the door will be closed and there's no way you guys can open it. You guys have to break the window. Be because there is no actual, you have to use this, so you have to use this one. If not, there is no other way to open this door.
A lot of cars, when you take the door handles out, there's a way for you to open it from the outside. This one does not have that. So right now, if this window's up, we cannot open this door. So we have the window down and we have that wire pulling the door latch. So that's what he was trying to point out. I don't know why, but yeah. So we're standing in front of the Tazza M3. This is a 2002 BMW E46 M3 S54 motor. It's actually the stock motor, but it has okay. Yeah, we're trying to start it still currently, but yeah, so it's got a built block. It's definitely not starting yet. Check out this thing right here. This is a custom made manifold. That thing, this is like the third version of it. It blew up on me twice, okay? Because we put so much boost into her, it literally blew open. So this thing is now made out of aluminum. It has rods in it. This one survived really well. Individual throttle bodies, it came with that, obviously. But the box came until here, so you weren't able to see it when it was stock, but now you see it all individual. Secondary fuel rail. So this is the OEM, this is the secondary. This thing needs a lot of fuel, so we had to add another fuel rail to it. Fuel pressure, blow off valve right there. So part of the problem, this thing is not starting. There's a lot of additional electrical components added to this vehicle. Here's one. Here's another one. And the main one is obviously inside the car. This car is not getting spark. So for some reason, it's not sparking up. It does get fuel, but it doesn't get spark for some reason. We're trying to figure that out. There's so many wires going everywhere. I mean, check out this. This is disgusting. So yeah, we have to figure out all that stuff. From just sitting there, the bumper somehow fell off. So that's easy fix. Literally the cosmetic stuff, all that stuff is secondary for me. It's gonna be so easy to fix that stuff. This is a factory paint Imola red, no accidents, single owner car from 2002. Check out this hood, carbon fiber. This is back when Vorsteiner was just starting up. This is the first hood they actually made for this car, and this was one of the cars they did development on. Peter actually owes me a hood, so I might bring that up now. There's a crack right here. This crack happened back in the day, and I need a new hood, so we'll figure that out. BBS wheels, Brembo. Obviously, this car did not come with that. So as you can see, the wheel barely fits in there. Big Brembo brakes, front and rear, obviously. These are 19-inch wheels, and in the back, I actually have 17s. What's funny about that is the back wheels are not BBSs, but I did put a BBS thing on there to match the front. So they are kind of no-name wheels, but to stick those tires in there, I needed 17s. So 17-inch Mickey Thompson drag radials right there. Still on there, ET Streets. Even with these tires on there, I could not get traction back in the day, honestly. Carbon fiber roof. I installed this myself. This is gonna need new clear coat, but again, not a big deal for us. Check out her rear. CSL trunk lid. Sorry for all the sounds. It's still a working body shop back there. That's a little brief tour. I'll show you guys the inside in a moment, but Javier here is trying to check out some stuff. Look at this carbon fiber mirror. This sat under the sun for a while, but all the clear coat faded off. I'm gonna need new mirrors. Again, not a big deal. Carbon fiber full door panels. Carbon fiber steering wheel. Carbon fiber seat backs. There's the AEM module right there. This is the main one. Something's up with it. I'm trying to figure it out. Obviously, I changed the steering wheel. 6-speed. This is the real beauty of it. Not SMG. SMG, obviously you guys know, had a lot of problems. They had, actually the SMG cars back in the day had a recall for the engine. The engines would blow up. My buddy's engine blew up actually.
Models. Urus. Okay, this is the Lamborghini website. Look, max speed 3.6 seconds, 0 to 100 kilometers. That's 60 miles, 0 to 60.
62 actually.
Okay, 0 to 60 is 3.6 seconds. Bro, this is the Lamborghini
That's
website.
what they rated at Lamborghini website, but it's
Bro,
not true.
the BMW, the X6M is the same thing. 3.6 and the shit is 3 seconds.
You know my car's not stock, right?